Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to group rows here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Grouping rows in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that is useful for organizing and managing related tasks or data, especially in large sheets. Now, once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, open the sheet where you want to group rows. In my case, this is going to be the file. So I'm going to click on it, and then now this is going to be what I'm working with. For example, I'm going to reorganize some of the rows here. Group rows. Or this file is already cluttered. Let me create a new one from scratch. Okay, so for example, this one, I'm gonna make this this dplaf the master tasker. Okay, and the task under this is gonna be, for example, task 1 and task let's say this 2, and this is gonna be 3. Okay. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is to basically indent this one, so that is under dplaf. All right, so if I click on it, it's going to be gone here. It's under dplaf. All right, in this case, let's put it, say maybe client 1. Okay, this is going to be for client 2 and client 3, right? And this one is for the let's say, for example, freelancer 1. This is going to be for freelancer 2. And this is going to be freelancer 3, right? If I click this option right here, they're all gone. All right, so basically that's how you group rows in Smartsheet. The idea is it allows you to organize related tasks or data into logical sections, making it easier to navigate and manage large sheets. I believe that it improves the overall structure and clarity of your data. It simplifies the managing related rows by allowing you to perform actions such as, updating or reviewing on a group of rows simultaneously rather than individually. I find it very useful for making bulk changes or reviewing project phases. This is helpful when you are working with multiple freelancers, clients, and team members at the same time. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.